Alchemy Kitchen. Today I've got some salmon on the smoker. I'm doing that in a different video. It'll be up soon. And while that's smoking, I'm gonna make some fresh mango salsa with bear lauk and smoked jalapeno and chili peppers. So I'll go through the ingredients first. Very simple, just a bit of chopping. This time of year is bear lauk season. Bear lauk is ramps in English, or some people call it bear garlic, wild garlic. Grows wild. It has a very strong garlic flavor and smell. Don't get it mixed up with lily of the valley; that'll kill you. So it's small, just always early spring this grows. So it's a very seasonal plant. Ingredients: we're gonna have a couple mangoes, of course, ripe. A couple sweet red pepper, paprika. They don't have to be this shape, the normal one's fine. A couple red onions, a couple limes, some cilantro, and a bit of salt just to season it. I'm going to use this tajin. It's a kind of a Mexican seasoning, and it's got some lime flavor in it. It's pretty good. Season that to taste. So next step is just start chopping everything up. Mix it up. I'll cover it, put it in the fridge. All the flavors will blend in, and it'll be ready in time for dinner. I'll go ahead and just start with bear lauk. Paprika. Empty the seeds. Each. You want mango salsa? First day of spring, the cats love the sun. After a little bit here. This color's already looking nice. Thinner knife for the mango. What I like to do is cut this just a little bit off the end where the stem is. Makes it a lot easier to just sit up straight to cut it alongside the seeds. From here, the technique I like is just score it. Try not to pierce the skin. Sharp knife helps. By the way, this is I recently just put this up on my Etsy page. Anyone interested? Might still be up there. I'll put the link below if you're interested. But I always have a few knives I've made up for sale there. Fold it inside out and just rub it right off. They come right off with your fingernail, your thumb. And there's always a bit still left on the seed, so sharp knife. Get that skin off. and just trim whatever remaining fruit you can get off that. Fill on the side. And maybe some years from now, I'll have a mango tree growing there. Doubt it in Germany. I'm going to add the rest of these. I have the lime last after everything's stirred up. I'll cut those off camera. It's not that exciting to watch, I know. And of course, chop up the cilantro. I cut up the stems and all. There's nothing wrong with those stems. Adds flavor, just cut it fine. You won't notice them. And of course the smoked jalapeno and chili pepper are going to go in there as well. Add that to taste, how spicy you like it. So all mixed up and ready, and I just gave it a taste test and it comes out awesome. It's the first time I've done it with the ramps, the wild garlic, and it really adds a nice touch to it. Only thing missing are the peppers, which I'm going to leave in the smoker as long as possible and add those in last just to get as much smoke flavor as possible. So we'll come back and try that. That'll be ready at the same time that smoked salmon is. And maybe do some fish tacos. Alright, so this was in the fridge for a few hours. I added in the smoked jalapeno and chili pepper. And just gave it a try. And it came out really, really good. There's just a hint of that smoke flavor because it's, just on the chilies. The wild ramps really add something special to it. I've made mango salsa before, just kind of more traditional, easy recipe, minus the ramps and the smoked peppers. But this really added a whole new kind of couple layers of a flavor profile. So I'm just finishing up smoking the salmon. That's gonna go rest in the cold in the fridge. There's a bit of a schedule change for my girlfriend's work, so we're gonna have this tomorrow. I tried some though, and it's amazing. I could eat this just as it is, like a salad, but the idea was making some fish tacos tomorrow with the smoked salmon. And that is the Wild Ramps mango salsa though. Really worth a try, especially if you can find the Wild Ramps, which now is the season, so give that a try if you get some. Thanks for watching. Till next time.